Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Yvette with Yvette's Junk Journal Shop. I am here today with some beautiful tassels and trim for you guys. These will be available in my Ko-fi shop, Yvette's Junk Journal Shop. So we will get started here. I have a little bit of trim and a bunch of these little tassels. So I came across a lady who was selling, she is an antique dealer, and she purchased a whole lot of a very large lot actually of tassels and trims from an upholstery shop that had closed down. So I was in the neighborhood and stopped in and saw these and thought you guys would love them. So these are just a sampling of what I picked up. I have more available and they will be in an upcoming video, different kinds and colors. But for today, this is what I've kind of pulled out as a little sneak peek of what's to come. So the first trim I'm going to show you here, this is a really soft thread trim. All the trims will be sold in a 1 yard, and it's a generous yard. I added probably another quarter yard, or maybe 4 to 6 inches on there, so you have enough to trim up. And as you can see on the back here, there's 3 stitches down the middle, kind of holds it all together. And then look at how beautiful that trim is. So this is like a plum purple color, and I have the same kind in a multicolor. There's a green and a red and a gold in there. So you can kind of, I hope you can see that pattern on there. And then I have another one of those in this kind of, I call it a champagne color. It's kind of a peachy gold color. And this would be beautiful for trim on the spine of a journal, on the pages of a journal, and a yard would give you plenty. I mean, yeah, a yard, hello. And then this one is a different kind of trim. It's more solid. And then it has this cording. This is, the background is the tassel thread, and then it's got cording all along there. And again, that's a yard of that. And then I have the tassels. So in an upcoming video, I'm going to be doing little kits that will have a tassel, coordinating trim, and then coordinating beaded like page tabs. So that's going to be in an upcoming video when I have time for that. So, like this trim, and then you'd have this tassel, and then you would have the page tabs that would coordinate. So let's go through the tassels now. I do have one tassel that is a little different than the others, and it's over here. So I will start here with these plum colored ones. So it has the gold trim around the center section. It's got the braided trim at the top with a loop, and then there's the tassel. Now these are, let me measure these for you. Forgot to do that ahead of time. So the overall length on this is about 8 inches. So I'm going to pull a journal over here and kind of show you what that would look like. Now, obviously this is not the color you would put on there, but that's kind of how that would look on a journal. So there's 2 of those available today. I have this one, which is this beautiful cream color and pink and green, kind of a dusty rose and a very light green. And then I have this little tiny guy. This one is about 4.5 inches in length. And it has this like loopy trim on here. I love these. This one is a pretty Victorian kind of pink or rose color. That would look beautiful on a journal for sure. This one has variegated colors of purple. There's 2 colors of purple, and this color here is kind of a, it's gold, but it kind of has a slight green tinge to it. And I love how this one, the trim on here makes this look like beads, but it's not. It's just trim. And then we have the variegated purple ones, 2 of those available. This again is the 8-inch one. And then we have this here, rose colored one, this here. I have 2 of these 4.5-inch with blue, very jewel toned blues, gold, green, and a rose color. This is a purple, no, not purple, that's kind of, well, I can't tell. Yeah, that's like a dark blue. It's like very dark navy blue and gold. I have 2 of these available. They are the green and the gold and the rose color. I might have already showed that one. And then this one is one that I made. Now I only have, at this time, I have 1 set of these available. So let me explain. They came like this in a, it's a, for your drapes, right? So you have they're tied here, and then they come up, and this goes around your drape and attaches. And then the tassels hang down. So I had, I purchased a couple of those because I thought it'd be fun to kind of add something to the tassel. So what I did was I cut the tassel off of the cording, and so basically it was attached to the other end of this very long cord. So I took the knot apart. It's very easy to slip out, and then I got to the end and I cut that off. So as you can see, this is how the cording is made. So what we could do with that is tie this off, you know, unravel this, tie it off, and then you would have all of this could be used to tie off your journal. Very cool. And then what I did was I took the tassel and I took some of the trim here and I wrapped it up and glued it on. So underneath I wrapped it with some fabric that I had to kind of stabilize it. So I took the loop, I cut off, well here, let me show you. Wasn't planning on showing you that, but anyway, so I cut off these 3 down at the base of the tassel. So the tassel was like this and basically had all of this cording coming out of it. So I cut them all off except for one, and then I looped it around like this at the top here, and then I just ran the material fabric around it and adhered it with Fabri-Tac, and then I covered that with the trim that I had that coordinated. So very useful. So you would get, and I have one of those available. I'm kind of seeing how they're going to move or go. And let me know in the comments if it's something that you would like to buy and fix up yourself, or if you'd rather just have me finish it off and then sell the tassel that way. So either way, kind of let me know how you'd like to have those presented. I do have a couple other ones in different colors, but I didn't want to bring everything out at once. So yeah, let me know in the comments how you prefer to have that. So again, I just wrap that around there, and then it's very secure, ready to go. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. These are great. These are right up my alley. I'm sure there's many of you who love and appreciate these types of things as well. So these are all available in my Ko-fi shop, Yvette's Junk Journal Shop. Hope you check that out. Check out the other things in there, and we will see you in the next video. Thanks so much for watching, and have a great day.